Good day, everyone. My topic this morning is all about increasing and decreasing function. The derivative of a function may be used to determine whether the function is increasing or decreasing on any intervals in its domain. If f x is greater than 0 at each point in an interval I, then the function is said to be increasing on I. If x is less than 0 at each point in an interval I, then the function is said to be decreasing on I. Because the derivative is 0 or does not exist only at critical points of the function, it must be positive or negative at all other points where the function exists. In determining intervals where a function is increasing or decreasing, first, find domain values where all critical points will occur. Then, test all intervals in the domain of a function to the left and to the right of these values to determine if the derivative is positive or negative. If f(x) is greater than 0, then f is increasing on the interval, and if f(x) is less than 0, then f is decreasing on the interval. This and other information may be used to show a reasonably accurate sketch of the graph of the function. In determining intervals where a function is increasing or decreasing, example 1. For fx equal x4 minus 8 times 2, determine all intervals where if is increasing or decreasing. The domain of fx is all real numbers and its critical points occur at x is equal -2, 0, and 2. Testing all intervals to the left and right of this value of fx equal 4 times 3 minus 16x, you find that fx is less than 0 on negative infinity and -2. Fx is greater than 0 on -2 and 0. Fx is less than 0 on 0 and 2. Fx is greater than 0 on 2 positive infinity. Hence, if is increasing on -2 and 0 and 2 positive infinity, and decreasing on -8 minus 2 and 0 and 2. Example 2. For fx equal sine x plus cosine x on 0 and 2 pi, determine all intervals where f is increasing or decreasing. The domain of fx is restricted to the closed interval of 0 and 2 pi, and its critical points occur at pi over 4 and 5 pi over 4. Testing all intervals to the left and right of these values for fx equal cosine x minus sine x, you find that fx is greater than 0 on 0 pi over 4, and fx is greater than 0 on pi over 4 and 5 pi over 4, and fx is greater than 0 on 5 pi over 4 and 2 pi. Hence, if f is increasing on 0 and pi over 4 and 5 pi over 4 and 2 pi, and decreasing on pi over 4 and 5 pi over 4. That's all. Thank you.